Yo, 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 what do you know? Just here at the marina, and I'm keeping the dingoes cool. Right on. Now, the old dog won't be chasing any balls around. But in my day, I certainly chased my share of girls around. If you notice, I said chased. I didn't say caught. But here's a pretty girl I caught. The Pretty Girl 3. Yep, my 1990 SeaRay 390 Express Cruiser. The Pretty Girl 3. And I love her. Yep, I love her all right. And as you can see by the 3 in her name, there's been a couple before her. Every boat I'll ever own will always have Pretty Girl in its name. Every Pretty Girl's been an upgrade, and the Pretty Girl 3 is definitely a keeper. Yep, I've been through enough Pretty Girls to know when I got a keeper. I make a few videos of the old girl. Check it out if you get a chance. But I'm definitely proud to be her captain. Now, I'm definitely not proud about that, going through all those girls. Some of my exes would actually call it kind of sad. But when you get out and about enough, you know when you got a keeper. Some girls are worth holding on to. Right on. Yep, some girls sure are worth holding on to. And I want to show you another girl I'm holding on to. She's definitely worth it. The Pretty Little Girl. Right on. Yep, she's the pretty little sister of my big girl. A 1976 SeaRay SRV 195. And she's just a beautiful old girl. Yep, a 48-year-old Classic SeaRay. She's got that pretty yellow hull and those classic SeaRay lines. Just love it. Now, I've owned that old girl for 3 years now. She was a barn find. I picked her up for 750 bucks. Wasn't love at first sight, but I certainly grew to love her. And like some of the girls I've been with, that old SeaRay was rode hard and put away wet. She was definitely showing her age, and I've dropped a bit of moolah into her. As a matter of fact, she was just dropped off 2 days ago. I had some major work done to that old girl. Major work. Well, major work usually means major moolah, and I did just drop major moolah into this old girl. Stringers, transom, new floor. She's got a whole new backbone, this old girl. A whole new lease on life. I got way more into her than she's worth. Doing that work isn't cheap. Like I said earlier, I had to pay to get this work done. But this old girl's rock solid now. If you were looking for a step-by-step, a how-to video, or a do-it-yourself on floor stringers and transoms, this ain't your video. But if you want to watch a video of 2 dingoes enjoying a ride on a Classic SeaRay, or an old dog ripping down the lake at 50 miles an hour, and come back to the marina with a big smile on his face, then this video's for you. I'm glad I spent the moolah on this pretty little girl. Like I said earlier, some girls are worth hanging on to. And I like that. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and tell your friends about Pirate Border Life, and help keep this old dog rolling. Right on.